There are some conditions affect your hair and skin, or you can read benefits. Parsley. Hair and skin actually are special things for every woman. Take care of those two things is important. Moreover, it can affect the whole body. Healthy skin and hair will increase our confidence, then they influence how we are doing our activity. Or you can read benefits of rosewater. One of skin conditions that may affect our scalp is dandruff. It occurs when the cycle of skin renewal constantly speeds up. The cycle mentioned is new skin produced and old skin sheds, with the aim of healthy skin. The old skin on the scalp then is coming away into the hair. The symptoms of dandruff on your scalp are itchiness and flaking. That is why dandruff sometimes embarrassing enough and disturbing your activity for the day. Moreover, the treatment also can be difficult for some people, but the good thing is it can be controlled. The treatments you can take with some herbal plants including curry leaves, or you can read health benefits of curry leaves. These antioxidants actually not only for prevent and cure dandruff but also to reduce hair fall and support hair growth. They prevent hair strands from thinning by strengthening hair follicles. It also supported by other nutrients like proteins and beta-carotene, or you can read health benefits of beta-carotene. So that means, all of nutrients in the leaves having a role for the health of your hair, especially very suitable for those who have dry scalp and dandruff. On the other hand, there are many health benefits of curry leaves for dandruff. Combine them with some herbal plants like coconut oil, fenugreek seeds and other may help you get the best result. Or you can read health benefits of coconut oil, curry leaves and fenugreek seeds for hair. Malassezia fur for scalp infection is commonly the reason why the scalp is dry and dandruff exists. It is the fungus that makes hair loss and the scalp flaky. Extract curry leaves have antifungal to the fungus that is useful to treat dandruff. A study also has been proven by Dr. Ashutosh Gautam, clinical operations and coordinator manager, which is said as far as Ayurveda is concerned, curry leaves are good for curbing dandruff. They are antibacterial in nature, therefore can aid in fighting scalp-related infections as well. How to treat dandruff by curry leaves? There are two methods you can take in order to get the health benefit of curry leaves for dandruff by following these steps. Method 1. Grind curry leaves until they become a powder, then mix them with coconut oil. Massage all to your scalp and leave it for half an hour. Wash it off with your mild shampoo, and you can do it for at least once a week. Method 2. Curry leaves you can mix with a bit of boiled milk. Use the mask for at least 20 minutes. Wash it off with your mild shampoo and do it regularly. Curry leaves are rich of antioxidants which are related to dandruff. Antioxidants will moisturize the scalp where the dead hair follicles are getting rid of the scalp. Dry skin is one of causes of dandruff, and it is usually affects some people in tropical country like Indonesia. So that is why there is health benefits curry leaves for dandruff.